Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Text-to-speech, TTS, is a great feature that allows your Android application to read text aloud. In this tutorial, we will cover how to implement TTS in an Android application using Java. We'll create a simple app that takes user input and reads it aloud. ### prerequisites. 1. Basic knowledge of Android development. 2. Android Studio installed on your computer. 3. A physical or virtual Android device for testing. ### Step 1. Create a new Android project. 1. Open Android Studio and create a new project. 2. Select Empty Activity and click Next. 3. Configure your project, name, package name, etc., select Java as the language, and click Finish. ### Step 2, add permissions to androidmanifest.xml. You usually don't need any special permissions for TTS, but it's a good practice to ensure that your app has internet access for downloading voice data if needed. ### Step 3, add text-to-speech dependency. You don't need to add any dependencies for TTS as it is part of the Android SDK. ### Step 4, modify the layout. Open activity_main.xml and define the layout. We will create an edit text for user input and a button to trigger the speech. ### Step 5, implement text-to-speech in main activity.java. Now, we will initialize the text-to-speech engine in our main activity. Here's how you can do it. ### explanation of the code. 1. Text-to-speech initialization. We create an instance of text-to-speech and set the language to US English. The onInit method checks if the initialization was successful and if the language is supported. 2. Speak out method. This method retrieves the text from the edit text and uses the speak method of text-to-speech to read the text aloud. 3. Lifecycle management. In the onDestroy method, we gracefully shut down the text-to-speech engine to free up resources. ### Step 6, run your application. 1. Connect your Android device or start an emulator. 2. Run your application from Android Studio. 3. Enter some text in the input field and press the speak button. You should hear the text being read aloud. ### Conclusion. You've successfully implemented text-to-speech functionality in your Android application using Java. You can further enhance this basic implementation by adding features like changing the language, adjusting the pitch, or volume to improve user experience. Feel free to explore more and integrate this feature into larger applications.